How to make extra money online from home. When owning stock in a company, an investor can make money in more than one way. One of the main goals of companies is making profits. Shareholders buy their stock to get some of these profits as well. Companies also benefit from selling of stock because this is immediately turned into funds. Typically, these funds are used for expansion, renewal of technology, research, training, and a myriad of other purposes. Once in a while, companies decide to pay out dividends. A typical conservative investor will have a long position on a stock and will eagerly wait for the day the company will pay out the dividends. If an investor buys enough shares, he or she can actively participate in the decision-making process of the company. But not all market players think the same. Some take higher risks and go in for the maximum profits in the shortest amount of time possible. Dividend paying is announced, and an investor can use this information and buy stock that is about to pay dividends. Of course, the closer the purchase to the record date, the more expensive the stock will be. An investor can wait with this purchase until the ex-dividend date, more precise only the day before. In the case of stock options, it often happens that an option will be exercised early for the specific purpose of catching the dividend. That is why, as a principle, it is not generally advisable to sell cheap options against stock that will pay out dividends, because very likely it will be exercised early.